for this experience, I was serving in this one city, and it was probably one of the hardest cities I've ever served in. I felt like we didn't see as much success in that city, even when we worked really hard, but we did see a lot of cool success anyways. So me and my companion, I just remember we would always just find tons of cool people, and they just always fall through somehow. And so we were teaching this one guy, and he actually brought his friend to a lesson, and his friend was like really interested. It was really cool. And then our investigator, he's like, yeah, we'll both show up tomorrow for another lesson. But our investigator didn't show up, and so he didn't bring his friend with him. And then so we were kind of bummed about that. And then we were about to go to this other lesson, so we're about ready to go. And then we just had this thought like, oh, why don't we just go this way instead? And so we start walking, going this other way than we were originally planning on going. And on our way there, we actually ran into our investigator's friend, and it was really cool. And he was really excited to see us, so we got his number and set up a lesson. And he turned out to be one of the coolest investigators I've ever had. He was super interested in hearing about what we had to say, and he was just looking for something more in his life. And it just really showed me that when we work our hardest and when we follow the Spirit, even if we don't know we're following the Spirit, I didn't know I was following the Spirit when I was like, oh, like, let's just go this way instead. But even just by those small and simple means, we find really cool miracles.